Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking you around a product that we've just installed to an Audi RS3. It's a product called Target Blu Eye. It's an emergency service warning device that alerts you guys while on the road of all approaching emergency service vehicles that's marked and unmarked. Yes, that's now got your attention. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below and keep you up to date with all of our future videos. In today's video, we're walking around this RS3 and talking through the actual installation, but we have done something very, very different on this car, which is rather cool. In terms of what we've got is something called a T30 antenna, which sits in the front bumper. That's a physical cable run all the way into the vehicle into a control box. What's involved on the actual install is basically stripping down the interior, taking out the glove box, and also then running a cable up into the mirror area. Why in the mirror area, you might add? The display is actually fully integrated into the factory mirror. Our cameraman Josh has actually done the installation himself, actually integrating that fully into the mirror. It's a phenomenal solution, looks really impressive, and a really nice solution to have a really OEM look. Nothing on the dash, nothing stuck on the windscreen. It's our go-to solution for the product, having the display integrated into the mirror. The majority of cars can be done, so if you are interested in the mirror solution, make sure you get in touch with us. Drop us a line on any of our social media platforms or go over to Target Blu Eye UK website, and that will also put you in touch with us as well. I've actually done the custom mirror install on my Mustang as well, which is really cool. We've done it on plenty of other cars, and we've actually got 3 other cars in our workshop currently having the same system done. Really popular product. It basically alerts you by an audible tone plus visual alert for all approaching emergency service vehicles marked and unmarked. We've actually done a full video, link for that is in the description below. Basically what that is going through everything in a bit more detail, how exactly the product works, plus a full overview of the unboxing video, what you guys get in the actual box and how it can be installed. And we've also got the mirror from Living Life Fast McLaren actually in that video featured in there as well, showing you how it integrates into that as well. So really cool solution. But thank you very much for watching our short video on Target Blu Eye on this absolutely stunning RS3, and we look forward to upgrading your car soon. Thank you.